Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project multi-user call bell for up to 9 persons, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. Let's start. This circuit not only sounds the buzzer but displays the room number from where the call is coming. It can be used as a call bell from 9 different places. The components used here are LM7805 voltage regulator, ICs 74LS04, 147, 247 along with NE555 timer, BC547 transistors and 1N4148 diodes. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.